Now let's explore on how to use a service widget of a classic add-on plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on the plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it to your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout, and in the left sidebar click on the widgets options and search for the service. Simply click on it to add it in your section, and in the left side you can see extra class field, enter your class name. With this you can customize this widget. And the next part is query. Here you can enter the number of service you want to display on the page. And the next one is author. Here you can choose the author name. And the next option is include post. Here you can choose your preferred posts you want to display. And the next one is exclude post. Here you can choose the post you don't want to display. And the next one is order by. You can choose the order from post ID, post author, title, date, and etc. Let's choose date order. And the next one is order. You can choose from ascending or descending. The next part is layouts. Here you can change the preferred alignment of this service, and here you can enter the number of description length. And the next one is post layout. Here you can choose from default classic, modern, classic pro on the list. Let's choose classic layout. And the next option is post columns. Here you can choose preferred number of columns. Let's choose 3 columns. And the next one is read more text. Enter your read more text here. Here you can enable or disable the post masonry layout. And the next one is post variation. You can choose it from light or dark. And the next option is post items. Here you can enable the edit items to the enabled area. Also, you can disable unwanted items to this disabled area by drag and drop. Also, you can change alignment of these items. The next one is post overlay items options. Here you can enable or disable it and choose your preferred item for the post overlay. And the next one is post top meta. Here you can enable the needed items to the left and right. And the next option is post bottom meta. Here you can enable the preferred item to the left or right. And the next part is title. Here you can change the title tag size as your preference. And the next part is image. Here you can choose your preferred image resolution. The next part is slide. Here you can enable or disable the slide option. And this is the slide items. Here you can enter the number of slide items you want to display on the desktop. And here you can enter number of slide items you want to display on the tab. And this is for mobile. Here you can enter number of slide items you want to display on the mobile. And here you can enable or disable autoplay, loop, item center, navigation, and pagination. And this is the items margin. Here you can enter your preferred value with pixels for spacing between the items. And the next one is items duration. Here you can change as per your preference. And this is the item small speed. Here you can change the speed of the slides. And this is the item slide by. Here you can enter the value that how many items move at once when you scroll. And the next one is links. Here you can enable or disable the target blank and no follow for image, title, and read more links. Let's moving on to the style. Here you can change the color for the script. And this is for background color. Choose your preferred color for grid here. Also you can disable it. And this is for box shadow. Here you can choose your preferred box shadow style for this grid here. Also you can disable it here. And the next one is padding. Here you can choose inner space value for this grid. Also you can change all this in the overview too by clicking here. The next part is title, and here you can change the title transform like capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And the next one is color. Here you can change preferred title color. And here you can change the size of the title. Next one is margin. Here you can enter outer space value for the title. Let's give space only on the margin top. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter preferred inner space value for the title. Let's give space only in the bottom. And the next option is spacing. Here you can adjust the bottom space of the title. And this is the typography. Here you can change font family and font style for this title. And the next part is links. Here you can change color of the default post links. Also you can change it in the hover too. And the next one is top meta links. You can change color in the normal and the overview. Also you can change color for this bottom meta links here. Also you can change it in the hover too. And this is for overlay links. You can change color for it here. Also you can change it in the hover too. Or the next part is image. Here you can change the image style like rounded or circled or squared. Let's choose rounded image, and here you can change the image size. And this is for image bottom space. Choose as per your preference. And this is the background color. You can change image background color here. And this is for padding. You can enter preferred inner space value for the image here. And this is for border. You can choose your preferred border type for the image here. And the next part is trademark button. Here you can change the text shadow style for the button text. And the next one is transform. Here you can change from capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And the next one is button text color. You can choose your preferred text color for this button. Also you can change background color for the button here. Also you can change it in the overview too. And the next option is border type. Here you can choose your preferred type for the border. Let's choose solid. And you can enter preferred width for the border here. Let's give 1 pixel each side. Also you can change preferred border color here. And this is for border radius. You can choose your preferred value for the border radius. Also you can change box shadow style for the button here. If you want to disable, you can simply disable here. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the button. And the next one is typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the button text here. Then export is icon image. Here you can resize the icon image. This is for icon image bottoms page. You can adjust as per your requirement. Also you can change background color for the icon image here. Also you can enter inner space value for the icon image here. Then export is meta. Here you can change top meta's typography and font style. Here you can adjust the bottom space of the top meta here. And this is for bottom meta. Here you can change font family and font style. And here you can adjust the bottom space of the bottom meta here. Then export is content. Here you can change the content color. Also you can change the font family and font style of the content here. And here you can change the bottom space of the content. Also you can change all this in the over to. If you want to enable all this on your section, you have to enable all this in the layout. Or then export is overlay. Here you can change overlay font family and font style. And this is for padding. Here you can enter preferred inner space value for the overlay. And this is the position top. Here you can adjust the top position of the overlay. Also you can change the left position by adjusting here. And this is the background color. Here you can change background color for the overlay here. Also can change it in the hover too. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.